Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on a 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Starting off the back of the boat here. So you got this nice aft lounge pad, walk-through transom on the starboard. You have your sectional, L-shaped sectional to the port, bench to the starboard. No wet bar in these, was popular. A lot of seating space. You got a vacuflush head down here. Here you are at the dash. Something really cool about this boat, it has less than 12 hours on the 6.2 350, so very low hour. All right, walking up front here. Nice bow seating area, deep, safe, and of course windlass anchor. This one is equipped with the swim platform, the automated swim platform, the power tower, and the upgraded stereo with the speakers up there. So if you want to come check this boat out, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, it's always been stored in our storage facility over here next to me, indoor storage, 12 hours on a 2022. Come check it out. Thanks, have a great day.